Welcome to your first oil change on your NCV3 Sprinter. As you can see, the drain plug is right here at the bottom of the sump. Recommended change interval is usually 10,000 miles. Sometimes it's 15,000 miles, which I really do not recommend at all. I think 10,000 miles is definitely the limit, and I wouldn't go any more on oil. But the engine's nice and hot right now, so we're gonna get some gloves on and pull that plug. And of course, you wanna make sure you're ready to catch this. It is a 13mm tube. No more air tools. I don't have to get a torque spec on that because this was way too tight just now. But yeah, you want to make sure that you're ready for this to squirt out. And you don't want to drop the plug in the dirty turtle because all this oil's hot. And... Ow! 25 Newton meters you should be able to remove with your hands. Of course, they put this on with air tools. Ooh, that's hot. I'm gonna let that drain back down a little bit. It looks good. No sparklies. Okay, so I'm just gonna pull the old filter off. All right, so these old O-rings are always a replacement. One there, and one big one here on the NCV3. I believe there's 3 on the T1N. Not a huge fan of Wix filters, but it's what I've got, so we're going for it. Tiny one can be a bit of a bee. You really want to make sure that's on right, because if that's not on right, you're gonna have problems with your oil filter and oil pressure, for that matter. Put the new filter on. Snap it in like that. That's quality right there. And just screw it in. Now I don't have the proper tool with me right this second to torque this to 25 Newton meters exact, but basically you should still be able to remove this with your hands. You want it tight enough so that nothing's leaking and you get good oil pressure, but you don't want it too tight that you can't remove it with your hands. And that's your oil filter installed. So I believe our NCV3 Sprinters with the big V6 take 13 quarts. We put in Shell Rotella T6, of course, 540 for Florida. And we have this PK170 oil filling tool. We'll have an Amazon affiliate link to that in the description below, because this thing works great for T1Ns and NCV3s, and it just slots right into your oil cap. It keeps you from making a huge mess everywhere when you're filling with oil. Not all T1N Sprinters have maintenance assist. I believe all NCV3s do though. So to reset your maintenance assist, you want to turn your key to position 2. That's your pre-glow position right here. And then what you want to do is you want to double click the menu button until you've highlighted your service clock here. Now, as you can see, I've already reset it, but I'm gonna show you how to do it anyway. Once you're highlighted, you want to press and hold the O button until you hear a beep. There we go, it beeped. I release. And then if I go to menu, you'll see there's some weird thing here. There's our model number, A906448. There's something else I'm not sure of. And one of these is, and reset STD. Once you're at this, you want to hold O. And then it'll flash 2. You'll hit O again and hit done. Turn the key off. Next time you go to check on your maintenance assist, it should say 10,000 miles again, and it'll start counting down. Thanks for watching.